Recording in progress.
Good morning, everyone. This is Bhuvaneswar from CIC department. This tech talk is regarding from the subject web application and development. Today, my topic is going to be modern web development using JITS. This is going to my tech talk topic. Let us any delay. Let's go into the discuss our topic briefly. See, let me give you a brief introduction about what's the meant by React.js, how it's helping us in modern web development. So, welcome to the world of React.js. The presentation will explore the revolutionary impact of React.js on web development. Get ready to unleash the power of modern front-end development. Yeah, this PPT we are going to see how the React.js has changed the way of front-end development. What are the major changes and major upgrades that React.js made to front-end development? What will add before the React.js was introduced? What we got new features we got after the React.js was introduced? How it's emerged? Let's see let us see the evolution of front-end web development from static web pages to dynamic web pages. Before back 10 years back, we used to use the static web page, right? Like the data doesn't used to be dynamic. It used to be static. Like we used to give the data in manually. The data would get from any APIs or any like it won't be any dynamic web applications. But now web pages are dynamic, responsive, and they give you the best user experience there as well. As development has evolved in this many stages, even JKS has played a vital role. Played a vital role that it helped in emerging the technologies, emerging the web development, enabling developers to build interactive, responsive user interface. Now let us understand the React.js. Let's go. React.js is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Its component-based architecture and virtual DOM make it powerful tool for creating scalable and efficient web applications. Yeah. See, basically the React.js is a JavaScript library. Like it's built on JavaScript. It's a library. Basically, it's like as library Vue.js, AngularJS, even React.js is a library for JavaScript. So here it's library for front-end development. It's based on a component base. So basically, if you see a screen, now, if you see the screen, basically, uh, see if this is a screen. If you see this is one component, this is another component. This is one more component. If you build one component style, no, so basically what happens in the right is it completely see this one screen. If you build one component, you can reuse it if see this is the button. Most of the CSS, the same button will be there in the any web page with the most of the same styling. So why can't you use the same component everywhere? So this is how the React JS works. It's component based. Wherever you want, that particular component with different content, then you can use those components. This is how basically uh, React JS architecture works. Again, it's just virtual DOM. Virtual DOM in the sense, see, there will be multiple hooks in the React JS. So if you manipulate any data, no, the hook will change. It will change the data. So if you completely won't change the data, just create one virtual DOM. It compares what changes were made to the DOM, and it will compare those DOM, replace only that particular content. This is what the concept of virtual DOM in the React is. Yeah. Now let's see declarative versus imperative. What is meant by declarative? What is meant by imperative? With React.js, developers embrace a declarative approach to building UIs, focusing on what the interface should look like. It contains the imperative approach, where developers specify how to achieve a particular result. This is basic meaning of declarative versus imperative. Let us see what is meant. I'll explain briefly about what is component-based architecture. Briefly, this is what is meaning by component-based architecture. Basically, the component-based architecture of React.js promotes the reusability and modularity. Functional increase the reusability and the modularity of a particular components which you are going to make. This allow developers. to create encapsulate components that manage their own state. Basically, this allows developers to create encapsulate components that manage their own state, leading to a more maintainable and scalable code. Basically, components-based architecture enhances the user reusability of code, modularity of the code. It's the basic use of component-based architecture in React. Now, let us see the virtual. What is my virtual DOM? The virtual DOM is a key feature of React.js that enables efficient updates to the UI. By comparing the virtual DOM with the actual DOM, React minimizes the number of manipulations needed, resulting in improved performance. See, basically here, the virtual DOM is a key feature of React.js that enables efficient updates to the UI by comparing the virtual DOM with actual DOM. React minimizes the number of manipulations needed, resulting in improved performance. See, basically, see, this what happens here is yeah. See, suppose this is one screen. If you want to change this, you are changing this content in the HTML element. So in the new screen, what the internal suppose this is a new content, everything is same now. So why should not only change this component? Like instead of re-rendering the whole content, why shouldn't I only render this particular content as only this particular content changes now? So here basically React creates a virtual DOM here. It's compare this particular element. It has only particular element changes. In the new web page, it only changes this particular web content, except that everything will be the same. This is how the virtual React uses the virtual DOM so that uh, it can minimize the number of manipulations resulting in the improved performance. Now let us see the state management with React.js. Managed state is crucial in web development. We know that state management is crucial in web development. React.js provides a streamed way to manage state, enabling developers to create dynamic and interactive user interface with ease. Managing state is crucial in yeah. Actually, managing state of particular component or particular product is very important in front-end development. React.js provides a streamlined way to manage state, enabling developers to create dynamic and interactive user interface ease. Now let us see the some ecosystem of React.js. The React ecosystem is very rich with tools and libraries that complete its functionality. You see the ecosystem of React. Ecosystem is nothing but that provides all products that were related to the React.js. When you see that ecosystem, the React.js ecosystem is rich with tools and libraries that complete its functionality from state management solutions like Redux, testing frameworks like Jest. Even Jest is an uh, products in the ecosystem of React.js that enhance the testing. The ecosystem empowers the developers to build robust applications. Let us see the performance optimization. Performance is a top priority in web development. React.js offers performance optimization techniques such as code splitting and memorization. Using that application remains fast and responsive. Basically, all this performance optimization means performance is a top priority. Like as we know, performance is a top priority in web development. React.js offers performance optimization techniques such as code splitting and memorization, ensuring that application remains fast and responsive. Now let us see server-side rendering. Server-side rendering with React.js enhanced server-side with React search engine optimization. Basically, search engine optimization is nothing but when you search in the Google about your web page, no, displaying of your content in the web page other better than others content. Like it should be shown in the top. Yeah, it should be shown on the top. By rendering the initial HTML on the server, web pages become more search engine friendly and provide better user experience. This is how the React helps us for the search engine optimization even. Now let us see accessibility and React.js. Creating accessible web applications is essential. See, yeah, that's what basic concept. Creating accessible web applications is essential. The React.js provides tools and best practice to ensure that applications are inclusive and can be used by people for of all abilities. Testing in React.js. Robust testing is crucial for maintaining the quality of web application. React.js offers comprehensive testing. As earlier I discussed about the libraries provided by React.js regarding the testing, we just React testing library. So this helps in the testing of our applications. So basically, in production, you should test our web applications, right? Before, like, we can't deploy directly without testing that. So here, the test is one of the platforms so that we can test our applications and we can perform the changes, empowering the developers to write readable tests. Now let us see scalability and how React enables the scalability of web application. As application grows in complexity, scalability becomes a priority. This facilitates scalability through its modular architecture and state management, allowing applications to grow without scarifying performance. Basically. And as application grows in complexity, scalability becomes a priority. React this facilitates scalability through its modular architecture and state management, allowing applications to grow without sacrificing the performance. Real-world applications. Countless industry-leading companies have embarrassed the ideas to build power and scalable web applications from social media platforms to e-commerce sites. React has proven its value in diverse domains. Countless industry-leading companies have embraced React.js to build empower and scalable web applications from social media platforms to e-commerce sites. React has proven its valuable in diverse domains. Now let's see the community support to React.js, and if we got any particular enough, how can we get all about it? React.js community is vibrant and supportive, offering offering a wealth of resources, tutorials, and open source projects. This thriving community ensures that developers have support they need to excel in React development. Like, this is how, if you have gotten any doubt in React web development, huh? So this is how React community, the group support helps in learning the uh, React and come out from that particular problem. Let us see some features of React.js. The features of React.js looks promising without ongoing advancements in innovations. As web development continues to evolve, React will remain at the forefront, empowering developers to create exceptional user experience. Let us see challenges and opportunities. While React.js offers immense potential, it also presents challenges. Embracing these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning is essential for developers. Looking to harness the full power of React.js is its projects. Now let us see the conclusion about this whole topic. Still now we are in the features, what is React.js, how it used, this community supports in list of pages. Now let's come to the conclusion. In conclusion, React.js has revolutionized web development by unleashing the power of declarative component-based UI development. Embrace the potential React.js to create modern, efficient, and scalable web applications. Yeah, this is the whole topic about the React.js. I hope I've covered everything, like starting from introduction, evolution of web development, understanding React.js, declarative versus imperative, component-based architecture, virtual DOM management, React ecosystem, performance optimization, server-side rendering, accessibility in React.js, testing in React.js, scalability in React.js, payload applications, customer support, and features of React.js, challenges and opportunities. And at last, conclusion. This is for today's topic.